Hi, in this video, we are going to look at the following main character. The heart is a symbol for love, passion, and emotion. When you feel intense emotions, the hormones in your body make your heart beat faster. Broken heart syndrome is a very real thing, so it's important to take care of yourself emotionally as well as physically. Laughter is good for your heart because it reduces stress and boosts your immune system. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the muscles of the heart. This is how the character looks today. This character means heart. Although this character depicts an anatomical heart, it is used to symbolize emotions or characteristics. It is used in these words, 关心, which means interest, and 担心, which means anxious. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Can you see the main character? The character on top means head. A thought is something that you have when your head works with your heart. This character means think. It is used in these words, 有意思, which means significant, and 没意思, which means boring. Time for another character. Can you tell the difference with the main character? This character has a line through the heart. The line symbolizes something that is deep in your heart. This character means must. It is used in this word, 必须, which means have to or necessary. Let's see another character. This time, the character on top of the heart means die. When you really forget something, you will have no emotional response to it. You can say the memory is dead in your heart. This character means forget. It is used in this word, 忘记, which means forget. Here's the last character. The two characters that you see above the heart means each other. I also talk about it in episode 9 of this series. This character also means think. But instead of the intellectual, problem-solving kind of thinking, this character is more like to think about or to want something. It is used in this word, 思想, which means idea. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.
Laughter is good for you. That's why laughter is good for your heart, because it reduces stress and boosts your immune system. Laughter is good for your heart because it reduces stress and boosts your emotion.